Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Motors and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I got another item here that I've always needed and wanted, but just wasn't able to get it yet. Today is the day that I get something that I really need. As you guys know from my channel, I use angle grinders quite often, but they're all corded. So my good friends over at VEVOR sent me something that I really need. It's a cordless, battery-operated, handheld angle grinder. Instructions, box number 1, box number 2, bag of accessories. What's in box number 1? Power cord to charge it. What's in box number 2? 20 volt, 4 amps per hour, lithium ion battery pack. So in the accessory bag, we have several discs. One for smoothing out, grinding, sanding, if you will. Get welds out, make it smooth. Second disc, same thing. And 2 cutting discs. I use the cutting discs more. Let's install it. So there's a lock button. You press the lock button and you use the tool to slip this off. Cutting disc right on here. Keep your finger on the lock and tighten it down. Awesome. This is the guard. Should I put the guard on? Sometimes the guard gets in the way of good angles to cut. Yes, it's a lot more safer to have this on because the sparks won't fly in your face. But it does get in the way. Let me think about it. Nah, I'm not going to put it on. But if you wanted to put it on, quick disconnect clamp. Slip it over, take the disc back off, slip it over, connect it. So it's supposed to look like that, you know, so that the sparks don't fly back at you. But if you just angle it at an area where you're not in front of the sparks, it'll be just fine. Also, there's this handle. Screw the handle in like this so that you can use 2 hands to do that. This gets in the way too. I'm not going to put it on. That's it, just like that. Yes, I know it's dangerous, but you know what your capabilities are. If you're experienced with angle grinders, do what you want. If you're new to angle grinders, put the safety stuff back on. Where the battery is, there's a meter here. It does do something. When you turn it on, press it to lower the speed or higher the speed. So I've got this chrome shelf that I want to cut into pieces so I can make a trailer out of it. But these legs are in the way. So I'm going to try to use this grinder that I just got. And we're going to take these legs off and see how it works. as you can see, super easy to do. So convenient. I don't have to get a cable and attach power to it. It won't get in the way. The wire won't get cut by accident, which I've done 1,000 times. Handheld, portable, cordless, lithium-ion battery, very powerful, 3 speeds, and your standard 3 to 4 inch cutting disc. Could also smooth stuff out with the other attached smoothing grinding discs. Another great product from VEVOR. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Go check it out. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Holy Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and blowers.